In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video reviews in Loox in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to enhance your customer's experience by showcasing real user reactions to your products. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to Shopify. If you're already familiar with this platform, you know that Shopify is a powerful e-commerce tool that, when used effectively, can significantly boost your store's performance. Once you're on the Shopify website, go ahead and log in with your credentials. You'll need access to your admin panel to complete this process, so make sure you're logged in as the admin. Before we proceed further, it's important to ensure that Loox Photo Reviews is already installed in your Shopify store. Loox is a wonderful app that enables you to collect photo and video reviews from your customers, adding authenticity and trust to your product offerings. With this setup, we can seamlessly integrate video reviews, allowing potential buyers to hear feedback straight from other customers. Now, from your Shopify admin panel, navigate to the Online Store section. Once there, click on Themes. You'll see a list of your current themes. Select the one you're actively using by clicking the Customize button next to it. This action opens up the theme editor, which is our playground for adding those video reviews. In the theme editor, you'll need to look at the left panel. Here, you'll want to find the App Embeds section. This might look a little different depending on your theme, but it's generally towards the bottom or middle of the menu. Search for Loox within this section and make sure to activate the Loox core script. This script is crucial for the functionality of your video reviews as it integrates the necessary elements from the Loox app into your Shopify theme seamlessly. Next, it's time to pick the page where you want these video reviews to appear. Navigate the editor to open the specific page you've chosen. Keep an eye out for the left toolbar, where you should find an icon to add third-party elements, often represented as a puzzle piece or sometimes a star. Clicking on this icon will give you a range of widget options that you can add to your page. One of these options will be the Video Slider widget, which is an app block that you can place onto the page. Select this option to incorporate it into your design. With this widget in place, your video reviews will have a neat and organized structure, making them easy for customers to access and watch. Finally, and this is essential, don't forget to save your changes. The Save button is usually at the top right corner of the editor. By saving, you ensure that all the hard work you've done gets applied to your live store. And just like that, you've added video reviews to your Shopify store using Loox. Remember, offering video reviews can significantly enhance the buying experience for potential customers, as it provides genuine insights into your products directly from other users. Thank you for watching, and happy selling.